Hello and welcome to week 5. This is the week that we begin working on your research paper. You will see here the screenshot of the Moodle page. You'll see it's still hidden from you, but I'll open it up tomorrow, I promise. So what we're doing this week is doing the proposal for your paper. We have the same schedule of Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. The difference will be the forms will be on your research paper topic, not on the circle. I'm asking you by Wednesday to come up with a vague idea of what you want your topic to be. I'm not concerned so much about word count. I'm concerned that you start thinking about it. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, come up with something. And then by Friday, comment on at least 2 of your classmates' ideas. Maybe you'll be inspired. Your paper can have anything at all to do with social media, and you can define social media any way you want it to be. It can be email even, it can be electronic communication, it can be texting. You might want to think about your career goals. A lot of you are going into nursing, and telemedicine is a big deal right now. Some of you are parents, parental controls, that's kind of important. Some of you are gamers. Take your pick. Anything that you feel like you can work on for several weeks without getting bored, that would be great. If you really like The Circle, you might want to talk about the book, or you might want to compare it to the film, or any of the other books that we've talked about, 1984, Fahrenheit 450, The Handmaid's Tale, anything like that. I'm asking for the proposal for your paper to be due on Sunday. I've given you specific guidelines for how it should be. I don't just want the topic. I want ideas about how you plan on going about researching it, what you think your thesis might be, and if you foresee any problems. My hope is by the end of this week, you will have something firmly in hand that you can do research on. You've maybe started to do a little bit of research, and that you have ideas from some of your classmates and from me so that you can get started on it. I want this to be as fun as possible. The other thing that's happening this week that's different is I've divided you up into groups. You see here, I put your groups here. I'd like you this week to check to make sure you are indeed in a group. Later on this week, if I don't hear from you, I will share with group members, not the entire class, but just with your group members, your LCC email address, not your personal one, your LCC email address. If you have problems with that, please let me know. We can do something else. I'm asking you here to contact your group members through Google Docs. I've got full instructions on how to do that. If you don't have time this week, that's fine. Wait until next week. We've got a couple of weeks before we will do that. That will be for peer editing for the rough drafts. I know that most of you have done peer editing in face-to-face classrooms, but guess what? We're not face-to-face. So we'll be doing it through Google Docs. I think that's all for this week. Let me know if I can help you with anything.